Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video to demonstrate fifth exercise in our case tools lab. The exercise is to create state chart diagram for airline reservation system. A state chart diagram basically shows us the transition from one state to another state in the workflow of a system. Any system, any activity inside the system can be divided and represented as multiple states, and the total workflow moves from one state to another state of work, and the entire activity is carried out. So the state chart diagram shows us what exactly happens. A state is represented with a rounded edge rectangle. Transition is an arrow. The initial state is a disk, a filled circle, and the final state is a concentric circle, and the inner circle is filled. The outer circle is followed. Now, for our state chart diagram for the application, the first state that we will consider is for the user to log in or to sign up. Now, if the user already exists, the account for the user exists, he will directly log in. Otherwise, he will go to sign up, the state of creating a new account. Then he will move on to log in and move to the state where his dashboard gets loaded, and he gets the option to search for the flights, to book tickets, or to cancel the tickets. Now from there he gets an option either to book a new ticket or to cancel an existing ticket. Now for cancellation, what you have to do is the user has to enter the unique PNR number that is generated when the ticket was displayed for the user, when the ticket was generated. So once the PNR number is entered, the next state is to proceed for to process the refund. Now, to move from the state where the user enters the PNR number to the state where the refund is processed, the transition happens only when the PNR is verified. So after verifying the PNR, the the refund is processed, and after that, the next transition would carry out when the reservation database is checked and that entry is deleted. Then the next state comes to the PNR number is erased or declared as invalid, and the ticket is cancelled. Otherwise, if the user wants to book a new ticket, he is going to move to this state. This state is where the passenger enters the number and details of the passenger, as in name, age, and source and destination of the journey and date of the journey. Next transition is for looking for the matching flights based on the entries that are given by the user. Next state is to book the seats in the desired flight. Out of the list, whichever flight the user select, he has to book the seats in that one. And then once the user has confirmed the decision that okay, he wants this number of seats in this particular flight, the next state comes where he has to pay the fare for the ticket. Once that state is processed, then a new record is added to the reservation database. A unique PNR number is generated along with the ticket. And the next state comes where the ticket is generated, the PNR number is added to the ticket. And that's how the two major operations of booking a new ticket or cancellation are carried out. At the end of both the actions, from the ending state, it comes to a junction. From the junction, the user gets an option to log out. From that state, the logout state will be the final state, and here comes the final state symbol. So the state diagram for the application ends here, and this is the states and explanation of each and every single state. What I just told is written here in a little detailed manner. So this is how the states are going to be in the application, and the transition from one state to another state is going to take place. I hope my concept of making this diagram and the entire workflow is clear and understandable in simple words. Thank you.